Hi everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez, and if you're watching this video, it's because you are interested in finding out the differences between a serial number and a registration number for your trademark application. If you have filed a trademark, then you're probably wondering what is the difference between the serial number and the registration number, and whenever would it be important to know about the differences. Your serial number is an 8-digit number that can be found somewhere on the receipt for your trademark application. Usually it is at the top, and I'm going to show you where. So when will you need your serial number? Let's say you are responding to an office action and you need to get to your application in order to see what issues are inside that office action. Well, you would go into the trademark document retrieval system and you would plug in your serial number. When you plug in your serial number, your application history is going to pop up. Then you would be able to click on the office action and see what the trademark examiner has detailed inside of that office action. So when else would you need a serial number? Well, let's say you have to talk to the trademark examiner or someone at the USPTO about a technical issue that you're having with your application. Then you would be asked for that serial number. It is an identifier. It is your identification number, so to speak. And without that serial number, it will be difficult to pull up information about your trademark. So having it handy will always come in useful, whether that's because you're calling the USPTO and you need to get the examiner on a phone call, or because you want to look at the trademark history associated with your application. Now, the registration number is available to everybody who has received a trademark certificate. Even if you haven't received your certificate yet, but one has been issued, you will have a registration number, and that registration number is located on the registration certificate. Now, if you don't have that registration certificate in your hands, you will be able to pull up the trademark history with that serial number we were just talking about. You will be able to see that the latest transaction in your history is the issuance of a registration certificate. Once you click on registration certificate, you will be able to see your registration certificate, and you will be able to locate the registration number because you will see it. Now, if you have any questions about other differences with regard to the registration number and the serial number, then feel free to let me know in the comments below. Another reason why a registration number is very important and that you're able to locate where that registration number is, if you're a seller on Amazon, then you will probably be wanting to get your hands on that registration number. You see, Amazon lets you plug in that registration number to be able to take advantage of numerous benefits within the Amazon brand registry. Now, if you're interested in finding out what those benefits are, then I invite you to click on the link below where I detail in an entire video exactly what you can do with the brand registry. Now, for everyone else that is not interested in being in the brand registry, your registration number will also come in handy in case you want to call the USPTO about a technical issue that you're having. So instead of providing a serial number, you would be able to provide the registration number. Now, if this video was helpful, then please be sure to give me a thumbs up, because my goal is that you learn more than you knew before you started watching this video. So if there's one very important tip that you took from this video, then tell me what that was in the comments below. Tell me, wow, Marcella, this is what I learned. I learned XYZ.